Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. When I just go back, you can see this message comes out. If you have opened any particular app, it is not backing up. You can see when I just move right, it is not backing by the smart panel also. How you can do this settings. And when I just back it up, you can see this here. To unpin this app, touch and hold back and overview buttons. How you can do this? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. You have to see this left and right button. You have to press it at the both at the same time. You can see tap 2 times like this and you can see app is unpinned. How it is not that one setting. You have to go to the settings. First you have to go to settings option, then you have to type here app pin. You can see the settings on the search bar. Click on app pinning. You have to just disable this setting, app pinning, and this problem will never occur to yourself. And you can see this works normal. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.